Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question. This is not found in your textbooks. So this is the multi-choice section. We have an apple that releases 3.6 kilojoules of heat per degree Celsius. Find the amount of heat loss in degrees Fahrenheit for each drop. So the answer is 2.0 kilojoules, which is C. So how do we work this out? It's just 3.6 divided by 1.8, the 1.8 being the conversion factor for degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the Python code is here. It's also in the pinned comment. So there are some common mistakes as well. Okay. So I'm just scrolling down just to show you, just in case it's not in the pinned comment. Okay. Alright. So that's the code. You can grab it from the pinned comment as usual. So before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC using the snipping tool. You can click on the icon in your taskbar and open it. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Once it's open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Okay, once you have done that, and this is just an example by the way, click on the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. So thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Since this is a made-up question, people probably won't be able to find it, so do share it. If you want to support me, you can become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.